All right, welcome back to another chapter of this section of this course. So right now we are going to move on to the tools sections, and this tool section is simply tools that you can use to make changes to your WordPress website. So if you want to access the tool section, all you have to do is you move your cursor to the bottom left corner here and click on tools. So when you click on tools, you're going to see some option here. From here you see available tools, import, export, cited, export personal data, erase personal data. So as time goes on, when you start installing a new plugin, you are going to see some other tools that will be listed from here. But currently now, by default, these are the tools these are the options that you are going to see from the WordPress dashboard. So when you click on tools, it's going to take you to the available tools. So currently now, these are the available tools. So when you click on the available tools, it's going to list the tools that are currently available on your WordPress website that you can use to make changes on your website. So in the next video, we are going to take a look at these are the current available tools, and we see what it actually does and how we can make use of it. See you in the next episode. Bye.